Hi, I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty. One of the things that potential sellers grapple with is what do they need to do to get their home ready for the market so that it will sell quickly and get top dollar? And how much will it cost out of pocket to make that happen? Our company at Keller Williams has a program called KW Concierge. We've teamed up with Zoom Casa to offer a program that allows sellers to get their homes in top dollar condition without having to spend money out of pocket. So we can help you determine what projects will more than pay for themselves and speed up the time that your home needs to be on the market, which is even more important right now during the pandemic. We can advise exactly what you should do and what you shouldn't do, help you determine what the costs are, coordinate the work, and then it will be paid for upfront so you can pay it back through escrow. From a cash flow standpoint, this is a great solution for lots of sellers who don't want to have to shell out a lot of money, but do want to get the most for their home. If this is a program you might be interested in finding more about, go ahead and give us a call at 562-896-2456, or you can send us an email, visit our website at Show Me Home, and we're happy to help. Take care, stay safe, stay well.